Cuchen testing after repair of switch, 9 switches, CJS FC10010K model. Door open, door close, cooking, cancel, cooking, cancel, menu. Button is working well, and cancel and warming. Okay, and one more time, reheat. Okay, cancel and auto cleaning. Okay, working, cancel. Settings, temperature. Okay, button is working well, left and right is working well. Okay, 74 setting. Okay, and okay, cancel. You hear clicking sound. This is the exit valve, solenoid valve, closed, cancel. Okay, again, cancel, warming, reheat, cancel, auto cleaning, cancel, settings, cancel, cooking, cancel, left button is working well, right button is working well, cancel, menu is working well, cancel, cooking, cancel. All repair for the 9 switches are no problem. Those are working well, no error, no strange touch feeling at all. It's complete. Thank you.